Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials so you can act immediately. Sign into the same Apple ID across devices, then verify iCloud Mail is toggled on under Settings. Once done, check your network. Weak Wi-Fi causes sync delays, so toggle airplane mode to force a reconnect. Make sure device storage isn't full. iCloud won't sync messages if local storage blocks uploads. If you use a custom domain, confirm DNS records. Mismatches stop mail delivery and the sent via iCloud header from resolving. Next, you address the core sync and indexing problems that cause incorrect sent headers. Pull down in Mail to force a sync. Give it 1 to 2 minutes for server reconciliation. If messages still show sent via iCloud, disable Mail in iCloud settings, reboot, then re-enable to rebuild the local index. This clears corrupted flags. Compare the sent folder on your device with iCloud. COM to pinpoint where the header appears. If a third-party mail client is involved, ensure OAuth tokens are valid so messages route correctly. To finish, validate the fix by sending test emails, one from your device and one from iCloud. COM, then inspect headers to confirm the source. Once done, update iOS or Mac OS and reauthorize any mail apps to refresh permissions. Outdated software often causes header quirks. If issues persist, remove and re-add the iCloud Mail account to force a clean sync. One key troubleshooting tip: if messages still show incorrect headers, capture full raw headers and contact Apple support. They can trace server routing and DNS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.